Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow WhatsApp to access contacts on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on WhatsApp app and click on settings. Scroll down. Okay, then back, tap on settings, click on apps. Then scroll down and choose WhatsApp app. Okay, just click and tap on contacts. This option is off, none. Just tap and click on full access contacts. Just tap allow full access. That's all. To allow WhatsApp to access contacts on iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.